Number 10. ATHIRAPALLY Waterfalls, located in the Thrissur district of Kerala, is a stunning natural wonder that captivates travelers with its majestic beauty. Often referred to as the Niagara of India, ATHIRAPALLY is one of the largest waterfalls in the country, cascading down a height of approximately 24 meters, 80 feet. Nestled amidst lush green forests and rolling hills of the Western Ghats, the waterfall creates a mesmerizing spectacle, especially during the monsoon season when it's in full flow. The thundering sound of the water and the misty spray that fills the air add to the enchanting experience. The picturesque surroundings offer opportunities for nature walks and trekking, allowing travelers to immerse themselves in the tranquility of the region. The nearby Vesicle waterfalls, located just a short distance away, further enhance the natural beauty of the area. For nature enthusiasts and photographers, ATHIRAPALLY waterfalls provide a perfect setting to capture breathtaking moments and create lasting memories. Whether you're seeking adventure or seeking solace in nature's embrace, a visit to ATHIRAPALLY waterfalls promises an unforgettable experience for travelers exploring the scenic treasures of Kerala.
Number 9. Trivandrum, officially known as Thiruvananthapuram, is the capital city of the beautiful state of Kerala. This vibrant city offers a perfect blend of rich cultural heritage, historical landmarks, and modern amenities, making it an enticing destination for travelers. Trivandrum's top attractions include the iconic Padmanabhaswamy Temple, a magnificent Hindu temple known for its intricate architecture and religious significance. The Napier Museum and the adjacent Kerala Museum display an impressive collection of artifacts, art, and historical relics from the region's past. The city's lush greenery can be experienced at the sprawling Kathakali Palace and the tranquil KOVALAM beach, famous for its golden sands and azure waters. For those seeking spirituality, the Adikal Bhagavati Temple hosts the Grand Adikal Pongala Festival, one of the largest all-women religious gatherings in the world. Travelers can also enjoy the local cuisine at bustling markets and restaurants, savoring delicious Kerala delicacies. Trivandrum's welcoming ambience and diverse attractions make it an enriching destination for travelers seeking a delightful blend of tradition and modernity in the heart of Kerala.
Number 8. Varkala, a picturesque coastal town in the southern Indian state of Kerala, is a captivating destination for travelers seeking a serene beach getaway. Perched atop stunning red cliffs overlooking the Arabian Sea, Varkala offers a unique and mesmerizing beach experience. The Varkala Beach, also known as Papanasam Beach, is renowned for its pristine golden sands, turquoise waters, and natural mineral springs that are believed to have therapeutic properties. Travelers can relax on the beach, indulge in yoga sessions, and witness breathtaking sunsets. The town's bustling cliffside area is lined with cafes, restaurants, and shops, offering a laid-back atmosphere and a chance to savor delicious seafood and traditional Kerala cuisine. Varkala is also famous for its ancient Janardhana Swami temple, which holds spiritual significance for Hindus and showcases remarkable architectural features. For those seeking rejuvenation, Varkala provides Ayurvedic treatments and massages at various wellness centers. With its tranquil ambience, stunning vistas, and unique coastal charm, Varkala is an ideal destination for travelers looking to unwind and embrace the natural beauty of Kerala's coastline.
Number 7. Wayanad, located in the northern part of Kerala, is a verdant and picturesque hill district that offers an enchanting escape for travelers. Surrounded by the majestic Western Ghats, Wayanad is renowned for its misty mountains, lush green forests, and serene landscapes. The region is a haven for nature lovers, offering trekking opportunities to Kembra Peak, where you can witness the heart-shaped Kembra Lake. Edakal Caves, an ancient rock shelter, showcases prehistoric carvings and offers panoramic views of the surrounding valleys. Wayanad is home to wildlife sanctuaries like Muthanga and Tholpeti, providing opportunities for thrilling safaris and wildlife spotting. Travelers can explore tea and coffee plantations, spice gardens, and interact with the indigenous tribal communities to get a glimpse of local culture. Pukkode Lake and Banasura Sagar Dam are popular attractions for boating and scenic views. With its tranquility, natural beauty, and diverse attractions, WAYANAD promises an immersive and rejuvenating experience for travelers seeking a memorable retreat in the lap of nature.
Number 6. KOVALAM, a captivating beach town in the southern state of Kerala, is a coastal paradise that beckons travelers with its golden sandy shores and azure waters. Renowned as one of Kerala's most popular beach destinations, KOVALAM offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. The town is famous for its 3 crescent-shaped beaches, Lighthouse Beach, Hawa Beach, and Samudra Beach. Lighthouse Beach, named after the towering Vishinjam Lighthouse, is the most frequented and offers a vibrant ambience with numerous cafes and shops. Travelers can indulge in various water sports like swimming, surfing, and parasailing, or simply bask in the sun and enjoy breathtaking sunsets. KOVALAM's Ayurvedic centers and spa resorts provide rejuvenating wellness treatments and traditional massages, offering a perfect retreat for relaxation. The nearby fishing village of Vishinjam is worth exploring, showcasing the local way of life and picturesque landscapes. With its tranquil beaches, pleasant climate, and laid-back vibe, KOVALAM is a delightful destination for travelers seeking a beachfront getaway amidst the natural splendor of Kerala's coastline.
Number 5. Kumarakom, situated in the enchanting backwaters of Kerala, is a serene and idyllic destination that offers travelers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Nestled on the banks of Vembanad Lake, the largest lake in Kerala, Kumarakom is known for its picturesque landscapes and serene waterways. The backwaters of Kumarakom are a network of canals, lagoons, and lakes, providing a unique and mesmerizing experience of cruising in traditional houseboats or KOVALAMs. As you float along the calm waters, surrounded by lush greenery and bird life, you can soak in the serenity of nature. Kumarakom Bird Sanctuary is a paradise for birdwatchers, home to numerous migratory and resident bird species. A boat ride through the sanctuary offers the opportunity to spot herons, egrets, kingfishers, and even the elusive Siberian cranes during the migratory season. Visitors can experience the authentic village life of Kerala by exploring local paddy fields, coconut groves, and fishing villages. With its natural beauty, backwater cruises, and birdwatching delights, Kumarakom promises a peaceful and rejuvenating experience for travelers seeking a tranquil and close-to-nature vacation in the lap of Kerala's backwaters.
Number 4. Thekadi, located in the Idukki district of Kerala, is a captivating destination that offers travelers a unique and adventurous experience amidst lush greenery and wildlife. It is home to the Periyar National Park, one of India's most renowned wildlife sanctuaries. Periyar National Park is a haven for nature and wildlife enthusiasts, providing opportunities for thrilling jungle safaris and boat cruises on the picturesque Periyar Lake. Travelers can spot a variety of wildlife, including elephants, tigers, somber deer, wild boars, and a wide array of bird species. The region's hilly terrain also offers trekking and nature walk experiences, allowing visitors to explore the breathtaking landscapes and encounter the rich biodiversity up close. Apart from wildlife adventures, Thekadi is known for its spice plantations, offering insights into the region's spice cultivation, particularly cardamom, pepper, and cinnamon. Thekadi's tranquil ambience, coupled with its natural beauty and wildlife encounters, makes it an ideal destination for travelers seeking an off-the-beaten-path experience in the lap of nature's bounty.
Number 3. Kochi, also known as Cochin, is a vibrant port city located in the southern Indian state of Kerala. As a melting pot of cultures and historical influences, Kochi offers travelers a delightful blend of tradition and modernity. The city's rich history is evident in its numerous landmarks, such as the iconic Chinese fishing nets, which have become an iconic symbol of Kochi's coastal charm. Fort Kochi, with its colonial architecture and quaint streets, is a treasure trove of historical sites, art galleries, and cafes. Kochi's cultural heritage is showcased in its ancient Jewish synagogue, the Mattancherry Palace, Dutch Palace, and the St. Francis Church, the oldest European church in India. The bustling spice markets, aromatic streets, and traditional Kathakali performances add to the cultural allure of the city. Kochi's cosmopolitan vibe is reflected in its modern shopping malls, bustling markets, and thriving culinary scene, offering a variety of local delicacies and international cuisines. The serene backwaters of Kochi, with their tranquil boat cruises, are an essential experience for travelers seeking a peaceful retreat. Kochi's harmonious blend of history, culture, and modernity makes it a captivating destination for travelers exploring the unique tapestry of Kerala's coastal allure.
Number 2. Alleppey, also known as Alappuzha, is a picturesque town in the southern Indian state of Kerala, renowned for its serene backwaters and captivating houseboat cruises. Nestled amidst a network of canals, lagoons, and lakes, Alleppey offers travelers a unique and immersive experience in the tranquil beauty of Kerala's backwaters. The highlight of Alleppey is the houseboat cruise, where travelers can sail through the scenic waterways, surrounded by lush greenery and local village life. These traditional KOVALAMs provide a perfect blend of comfort and rustic charm. The town's sandy beaches, particularly Munnar Beach, offer a relaxing spot to soak in the sun and witness breathtaking sunsets. Alleppey is also famous for its Nehru Trophy boat race, a spectacular event held on Punnamada Lake, where exquisitely decorated snake boats compete in a thrilling race. Visitors can explore Alleppey's rich cultural heritage through its vibrant markets, historical sites like Krishnapuram Palace, and religious landmarks like Alappuzha Temple. With its backwater cruises, sandy shores, and cultural allure, Alleppey promises a tranquil and enchanting experience for travelers seeking a unique and memorable vacation in the heart of Kerala.
Number 1. Munnar, nestled in the western Ghats of Kerala, India, is a breathtaking hill station that enchants travelers with its lush green tea plantations, mist-covered mountains, and cool climate. Known as the Kashmir of South India, Munnar offers a refreshing and rejuvenating escape from the bustling city life. The picturesque landscapes of Munnar are adorned with tea gardens, and visitors can take leisurely walks through these plantations to experience the serene beauty and aroma of freshly plucked tea leaves. The ATHIRAPALLY National Park, home to the endangered Nilgiri tahr, is a must-visit for nature and wildlife enthusiasts. The park's rolling hills and vibrant flora make it a photographer's paradise. Travelers can also explore the enchanting Mattupati Dam, Anamudi Peak, the highest peak in South India, and the Serene Echo Point. Munnar is an ideal destination for adventure seekers, offering activities like trekking, rock climbing, and paragliding. With its tranquil ambience, picturesque landscapes, and tea garden charm, Munnar promises an unforgettable and refreshing experience for travelers seeking a serene hill station getaway in the lap of nature. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon. Press the like button and share.